You didn't tell me. Akira.
Hi guys.
Akira.
Chuma, we just thought we'd say a quick hi. You're telling your followers that you've started a live video. Hey, somebody come.
Are you mortifying?
I do that only. That's my fam. I talk like that to my fam. Where are you? Where are you? Hola.
Oh.
Hi guys. Just wanted to say hi. Ellaru eppadi irkeenga? I hope everybody is well and safe. Following the rules. Please follow the rules. Please follow the rules. இப்போதான் ஒரு போஸ்ட் நான் போஸ்ட் பண்ணேன். You can see in my story where I've said that one doctor has spoken saying that beds, ICUs, oxygen is not important. The important fact is we should maintain social distancing, follow the protocols. Yay! Amazing! So yeah, okay, signals here. So that's where was I? Are we there? Are we there yet?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So actually what I was saying is Nadula Katta Edition. Thank you. Stop playing with the notifying with the screen. What I was going to say is oxygen, bed, ICU, these things are cure. These are the to prevent is the main. Prevention is better than cure. Why are you not standing the frame? Why are you distracting me, Shruti?
Because they want to see only Akira, not us.
Hey, important things I'm talking. Okay, okay, fine. So, what I meant is, please be safe. Please maintain, follow protocols, and let's beat COVID, guys. And also, நான் இதுக்கு முன்னாடி அந்த $1 million கேள்வி கூட கேட்டேன். Did you?
Akira, did you?
She's making sambar on my head. Hello. Ew. Hello. Okay. Yeah. So guys, I just wanted to ask like any questions like many people I want to say this.
Give the mic to Akira.
நிறைய பேர் வந்து கேட்டிருக்காங்க நான் இது பண்றேன் அது பண்றேன் 10,000 ஸ்டெப்ஸ் வாக் பண்றேன் ஐ அம் வாக்கிங் 20 kilometers a day எப்படி எல்லாம் சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கீங்க இட் டசன்ட் ஹேவ் டு பி ரிகரஸ் நீங்கள் வந்து ஒர்க் அவுட்னா ஐ டோன்ட் மீன் டு பி லைக் நீங்கள் டெய்லி பண்ணி ஆகணும் இல்லை யூ ஹாவ் டு டூ டு அ லெவல் வெர் யூ ஸ்வெட்டிங் பக்கெட்ஸ் அப்படியெல்லாம் கிடையாது சம்திங் பெட்டர் தென் நத்திங் அந்த மைண்டில் வச்சுக்கோங்க ஆல்சோ டோன்ட் ஸ்ட்ரெயின் ஸோ மச் டூ சம்திங் தட் நீங்கள் லைஃப் லாங் அந்த மாதிரி பண்ண முடியும் ஒரு லைஃப் ஸ்டைலாக பாருங்கள் ஒரு 3 months நான் ஒரு 10 கிலோ குறைக்கணும் ஒரு 1 week ஒரு 2 கிலோ குறைக்கணும் அப்படியெல்லாம் பார்க்காதீங்க forget this weight losing thing and all it's just stupidity being flexible having energy throughout the day sustained energy and things like that are the most important thing not I've stopped eating rice I've stopped eating carbs I've stopped eating all the stupid things adella illa carbohydrates are very important protein is very important fat is very important balanced diet is very important eating right just now, I can eat like 3 biryanis I love biryani but I know it's no use I'm just packing on unnecessary calories so eat everything you can eat everything I eat ice cream also I love ice cream but I don't eat like buckets and buckets like before even 3 spoons are good yeah okay so hi guys hello any questions guys
Kai valikudhu.
I'm holding her
Come this side.
just take my fam and go somewhere hello
Akira is so cute.
you're very cute it seems are you don't play tabla on my face woman yeah so any questions any good questions hi guys
Cute baby.
Akira is saying that dad I also want to talk with people on live
Inge.
does it look like she looks like she wants to learn karate Shruti I'll stand little here what is this are you also be in the frame hey kadavule
அதுக்கு முன்னாடி வெறும் வாக்கிங் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தேன் thank you sir
I'm glad I'm really glad இல்ல வாக்கிங் கூட பண்ணுங்க it's a great workout skipping கூட பண்ணலாம் but don't do anything that is going to make you feel like you know ஒரு 1 month down the line ஐயோ அந்த மாதிரி ஒர்க் அவுட்டா சான்ஸ் இல்லை அதெல்லாம் பண்ண முடியாது டியூரிங் மை ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஃபில்ம் ஆல்சோ காதல விழுந்தேன் என் டிரெக்டர் வந்து ஆஃபீஸில் கூலாக சொன்னார் ஒரு 10 கிலோ குறைக்கணும் எனக்கு இல்லைங்க I did the worst of the things like stopped eating food running on Besant Nagar beach from the sea to the shore front back till I dropped உச்சி வெயில் because I wanted to darken up also tan up and things like that and all if you tell me to do those things again hell no chance illa my mind will be like
ஓடிடுடா
escape
புள்ள
so we can't don't do such things do something like today I tell you come on guys let's go work out now okay let's go do something let's make some good energy let's spend some good energy அந்த மாதிரி it should be life long இருக்கணும் food கூட அப்படி தான் இருக்கணும் It's not like I'm like on a strict diet. I only eat vegetables. I only eat you know, steamed vegetables and chicken and rice and apdi illa.
Keto.
No. Don't. I've done some very stupid things like that. I've done the keto diet. I've done the OMAD diet, 1 meal a day diet. I actually started putting on more weight than losing weight. It is very, very stupid, all these things. Balanced diet. And the most important thing is patience. Porumai. Porumai romba mukkiyam. Neenga vandu, if you... I don't think they're even listening to me.
Ow.
Porumai is very important. You should be patient. You don't expect... Ow! Don't expect... Don't expect quick results. Quick results, they don't last. They come quickly, they go quickly. Remember that. Upper body is lean, but my lower body is huge and my thigh is okay. There is no spot reduction. Calories are the most important. What you eat, how much you eat matters. So adhikku vande odane I stop eating. Woman, you want your father to wear wig in movies, ada? Huh? You want that, don't you? She wants that. Anyways. So if I have lost my hair, it's all because of her. Anyways. So what I was saying is, yeah, there is no spot reduction. Always look at your food as energy, not just taste. Amma! Not just taste. Okay? Think of it like idu theviya, idu venuma. Ipo ninga oru samosa saaptinga. One samosa doesn't make a difference. It's okay. It's fine. But then, it was delicious. I want to have one more samosa. Do you really want that samosa? Do you want to burn that samosa? 300, 400 calories? Is it required? Abdi paranga. Look at your food as a source of energy first.
Hold up for some time.
Look at the food as a source of energy, not as something that makes you happy alone. Hell no. Participate in Big Boss 5. Without her, 3 months. I love Kamal sir, but not so much also. Akira saw. Hi na. Is it true? Yeah, she's very cute. Pulling my head off. How to maintain a routine? See, there is no. It should not. There's no routine as such. You should. You have to practice it. Starting like the first step, you have to practice. Take that first step. Make that small changes. Don't make immediate changes, drastic changes. Wake up one morning like, no, no. I have to go for a 10-kilometer run. No. Step by step. Slowly your body has to adjust to it. நீங்கள் வந்து பாடிக்கு அந்த மாதிரி ப்ரெஷர் கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா மேபி இட் வில் கிவ் யூ தட் ஹெல்ப், இட் வில் சப்போர்ட் யூ ஃபார் த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 2-3 days. அதுக்கப்புறம் லைக் சான்ஸே இல்லை, அதெல்லாம் பண்ண முடியாது. ஸோ டோன்ட் பி இன் தட், டோன்ட் கிவ் யூர் ஷாக் யுவர் பாடி ஸோ மச் ப்ளீஸ். ஸ்லோலி மேக் இட் அ பார்ட் ஆஃப் யுவர் லைஃப் ஸ்டைல். தட் ஒர்க் அவுட் இன்னைக்கு பண்ணலையா, ஓ காட் ஐ ஃபீல் சம்திங் வியர்ட், அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கணும். ஃபார் மீ இட்ஸ் லைக் ஓகே டுடே ஐ டோன்ட் ஃபீல் லைக் ஒர்க்கிங், ஐ டோன்ட் ஃபீல் லைக் ஒர்க்கிங் அவுட், இட்ஸ் ஓகே. இட்ஸ் நாட் லைக் ஐ ஹேவ் டு டூ த ஒர்க் அவுட். I don't feel like. So today I want to. Or 2 days பண்ணல, I think I should do. அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கணும். Sorry, my eyes are on Akira. Hey, thank you guys. Yeah, nowadays she's in a very assault mode. Yeah, என்ன பண்றது? Shooting baby Jodigal, people are asking. Yes, it was super fun. Ramya ma'am is a super charming and super beautiful and lovely co-judge. Anna, it is risky right now. Can't sit and do shows. Most importantly, we have to beat COVID, and beating COVID is, I know you guys are sharp, y'all are smart, y'all are my fam. So unga mela oru nambikkai irukku enakku that neenga or COVID it mari behave panna mattinga and y'all will maintain distance and y'all have that insight that on the fear irukalla enakku samaya irukku. I'm very paranoid about these things and I want to be safe. I want to keep my family safe. I want y'all to be safe and I want to beat this bloody COVID. I know we can beat it. It's not, don't think medicines are going to beat COVID or the vaccine is going to beat COVID. It's us. Social distancing,
wearing mask, not stepping out unnecessarily.
Exactly. But yeah, also guys, the vaccination thing is on right now. Do go get your vaccine, guys. Elders at home, everyone, first please go get your vaccination done. I don't know exactly how to say this, but yeah, that's why I don't know the I'm very bad with current affairs, but do get your vaccination done if possible. Hey, thank you. Hey, Nakshatra. Hi, Nakshatra. Hey, thank you.
Oh.
She's doing virtual drishti for us.
Ayyo, so sweet. Say hi.
So yeah, I just wanted to like just say hi to you guys, and it's been a while. And हाय नकुल जी, हिंदी में दर्शकों से इंग्लिश में बात करना ये दर्शाता है कि लोग मेरे भाई
முடியாது
ரொம்ப கஷ்டம் ரொம்ப கஷ்டம் I wanted to be everything எல்லாருக்கும் புரியணும். It should be English, Tamil, Hindi, whatever man, it should go. Communication is more important, love is more important. I want to express love and I get love from you guys.
Are you sleepy?
Yeah, I think she is. So yeah guys,
Sleepy.
so this is our usual routine now. Even with lockdown we like to walk on the terrace, and
She likes to puck hours.
yeah, she loves to do all those things. So yeah, thank you guys. Next movie enna bro solunga. Yeah, இப்போதான் ஷூட்டிங் முடிச்சு நான் வந்திருக்கேன். It's like so good. I'm doing 10 films. Like hello, beat the
Okay,
pandemic
let's walk.
first
Come,
guys.
let's
Let's beat the pandemic.
Let's walk.
Good evening, Anthony. Basically, yeah, for films, yeah, I am supposed to be starting in June a project, but I hope we can start and we can do this project as soon as
What Papa's
possible.
doing? What is Papa
என்ன
doing?
பண்றது?
No. Are you hungry?
You should start asking mask up, social distancing and sanitize. Haven't we all been? We've all been asking. Mask up 100%. Double mask? Yes, 100%. You should double mask. And more than double masking, don't go out unnecessarily. தேவையில்லாம வெளில போகாதீங்க, கும்பலா சுத்தாதீங்க. Hey, I have not played cricket in such a long time, yeah. No cricket. No all these things. Beat this pandemic. And please realize, if you are not careful, your family is also at risk. Maybe your family is all strict about it, and maybe you are not strict about it. You should be strict about it. You're putting their lives at risk. The more you come in contact with outsiders and strangers, the more you're putting yourself at risk. So yes, do mask up. Essentials ஆங்கே ஆகணும், வீட்டுக்கு வந்து பொருள்லாம் தேவைப்படுது. I understand, even we have that same issue, but then be very strict about it. It's friends பார்த்து எவ்வளோ நாள் ஆச்சு. It's okay, we can all wait. First survive this bloody pandemic, let's beat it and then go do all these things, then party as hard as possible. Yeah. Hey, thank you guys. Amma. Relationship tips, please. That was tough to say. Relationship. Okay, relationship tips. There is no. What is the tip? You just empathize with your partner. Anytime you feel, would you do it? Na kelvi kelanga. Ask yourself that. Hey, please, yeah, wash the vessels, or clean the house, or anything. Ask, would you do it? If she asked you the same question, or he asked you the same question, இது பண்ணி கொடு, அது பண்ணு, do this, do that, will life be happy? Will you be happy? I think that's the only thing I see it. I keep it very simple, yeah. When I want to irritate her, I just irritate her.
Yeah, and I irritate him back.
I don't like that, Shruti. Behave. Okay. Any other questions, guys? Hey, thank you. I like your dance. Thank you. Wish I can hold Akira for some time and those chubby.
No.
No. I'm very strict father. Hi, Na. Hi, Annie. Hi. Okay, so I think that should do. We'll again have one proper.
What are you trying to talk?
So much screen time she's getting. I'm not showing her the screen. Anyways. Yeah, so we'll again do a live, and this was just a random hi, hello. We'll again do this again in the future, and keep some questions ready. What do you want to ask? And maybe Sunday we'll do a live. Sunday we'll do something. So, all right, guys. Thank you so much. Hey, Shruti, some pakoda recipe. Oh, yeah, that pakoda was nice. I only finished it. So, what about dieting? What about all that? Who cares? So, I'll tell you this one tip. What I do is one good meal in a day. One good meal. That doesn't mean I eat 10,000 calories in one meal. One good meal. I feel like eating sambar.